Block Second Grade Worksheet Left Lesson 37, and what we'll be covering today is addition sentences, subtraction, and some word problems. So let's start off with doing some addition. So this one's pretty easy, I would say. So for number 1, it says 6 plus 3, and 6 plus 3 is obviously 9. And again, for 2, 9 plus 8, that's 17. And for number 3, 10 plus 4, that's 14. And 4, 7 plus 8, that's 15. And 5, 12 plus 5 is 17. And 6 plus 4, that's 10. 7, 3 plus 15, that's 18. And for 8, 34 plus 0 is 34. And obviously, whenever you add or subtract by 0, it's always just going to be that number that's going to be in this number here. So yeah. And for 9, 5 plus 7, that's 12. 10, 30 plus 6, that's 36. 11, 23 plus 4 is 27. And 12, 11 plus 12, that's going to be 23. 13, 3 plus 10, that's 13. 14, 2 plus 12, that's 14. Okay, moving on, let's do addition sentences. So find the missing number. So for this one, you would do the opposite to find the missing number. So you would do 7 minus 3 because you need to figure out the empty number here, the empty sentence. So that's going to be 4. So for number 1, it would be 4. Number 2, 30 minus 1, that would be 29. 3, 9 minus 2, that's 7. 8, 13 minus 8, 4, yeah. And then that's going to be 5. And then we're going to do 9 minus 9, which that's 0. And 11, 15 minus 11, that would be 4. 14 minus 9, that would be 5. 16 minus 8, that's 8. 17 minus 14 is going to be 3. 50 minus 0, that's 50. 15 minus 3, that's 12. 12 minus 4, that's 8. 100 minus 0 is going to be 100, obviously. And 18 minus 3, that's going to be 15. And 27 minus 9, that's going to be, that's going to be 18. So there you have it. So that's how you solve these. So for number 16, I think I'm just going to show it to you since this one's a bit of a bigger number. So carry that, 1, 17, and then that's going to be 8, and yeah, 18. Okay, moving on, let's do some subtraction. So this one is finding the difference. So we're given all these numbers here, and so what we're going to do is 10 minus 7, which that's 3. 13 minus 5, that's 8. 3, 14 minus 9, that's 5. 4, 6 minus 4, that's 2. 5. 12 minus 7, that's 5. 6, 15 minus 10, that's 5. 9, 15 minus 9, that's going to be 6. 10, 30 minus 4, that's going to be 26. 11, 10 minus 3, that's 7. 12, 14 minus 10, that's 4. 13, 12 minus 12, that's 0. 14, 30 minus 7, that's going to be 31. Oh shoot, we didn't do some of these problems. I guess we'll do them now. 99 minus 0, that's just 99. And 8, 23 minus 3, that's 20. 15, 14 minus 8, that's 6. 16 minus 7, that would be 9. And there you have it. That's how you do subtraction. So all of these are pretty simple. This one's adding, this one's subtracting. Well, subtracting mainly because you need to find the addition sentence, and this one's subtraction. Okay. So let's move on to some word problems. So this one, number 1 says Mary had 3 apple pies. When she was done, she cut into 4 equal slices. How many slices are there altogether? Okay, so let's start off with this one. So we know that Mary had 3 apple pies, so I'm just going to draw these out. And then she cut them into 4 equal slices. And it asks for how many slices are together. So what we would do is we're gonna count how many slices there are. We could count these, or we could multiply. We could do 3 minus 4. So let's do adding these up. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that there's 12 slices. But an easier method could just be 3 times 4, which that's also 12. So it's 12 slices altogether. So there you have it. So that's how there's 2 methods in solving this one, so there you go. Moving on, let's do 2. Liam and Noah went to the pool 18 times this summer. They went 4 times in June, 8 times in July. How many times did they go to the pool in August? Okay, so we're going to first add the amount of times that he didn't go on August, which is June and July. So we're going to do 4 plus 8, that's 12. And then we know that he went to the pool 18 times over the summer, meaning that the remainder would have meant that he would have went on August. So we're going to do 18 minus 12, and that's 6. So how many times did he go to the pool in August? 6 times in August. Okay, moving on, let's do number 3. Emma went to the water park. She went to the red slide 9 times, and on the yellow slide 4 times, and on the blue slide 7 times. How many times does she go to the slide down altogether? So this one says altogether. So we know when it says altogether, we're going to add up all the numbers. So we're going to do 9 plus 4 first, which that's obviously 13. And then now we're going to do 13 plus 7, which is 20. So yeah, how many times did she go on the slide altogether? 20 times altogether. There you go. Okay, moving on, let's do number 4. Harper baked cookies with her sister. They make 13 cookies with sprinkles and 12 without. How many cookies did they bake in all? Okay, so since we're counting baked in all, we're going to count the cookies with sprinkles and without. So it doesn't matter if it did or if it didn't, but we just need to count how many baked cookies, baked cookies that Harper made with her sister. So we're going to do 13 plus 12. So let's do it like that. 3 plus 2, that's 5. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So how many cookies did they bake in all? 25 cookies baked in all. So I'm going to write it in full. So there you go. And there you have it. That's how you do these.